Guys, today I will show how to install the WECON PLC editor. First, we go to WECON support sensor. From WECON support sensor, we can download the PLC software from WECON PLC. We select the software and download PLC editor directly. After we download WECON PLC editor, we can unzip to a folder. Run this WECON PLC editor setup. Next, select a page to install. You can see here, if your computer never installed the runtime library, you can select this library and install. Because I installed the library before, so I select repair. You can select the PLC driver with new version. After finish install, you can see here ready to use. Now we finish the PLC editor install, and we can create a new project. Okay, we finished. Thank you for your listening.